Check one, check two, check.
Join me as I put my home to the test and see if it's really safe from electrical fires without CSA-approved lighting. As a homeowner, I want to make sure my family is safe from electrical fires. One crucial aspect of home safety is using the right lighting fixtures. That's where CSA-approved lighting comes in. But what does CSA approval even mean? And how can it save my family from potential electrical fires? Electrical fires are a serious concern. According to statistics, they cause thousands of home fires every year, resulting in injuries and even fatalities. One of the most common causes of electrical fires is faulty or non-compliant lighting fixtures. These fires can start from sparks or overheating components, and they can spread quickly. In many cases, electrical fires are preventable by simply using approved lighting fixtures. Using non-CSA approved lighting can be extremely hazardous. These fixtures may not meet the rigorous safety standards set by certified testing organizations. When you install non-approved lighting, you're putting your family at risk of electrical shock or a house fire. I mean, think about it. A single faulty wire can ignite a fire that can destroy your home in minutes. So, how do electrical fires start, and what role do lighting fixtures play? Well, most electrical fires begin with a faulty component or a short circuit. Lighting fixtures are no exception. A non-CSA approved lighting fixture may have substandard wiring or components that can't handle the electrical load. When this happens, the fixture can overheat, causing a fire. The difference between CSA approved and non-approved lighting is certification. CSA stands for Canadian Standards Association, but similar certifications like UL and ETL are also important. These organizations test lighting fixtures to ensure they meet strict safety standards. These marks aren't just stickers. They're the result of rigorous testing for fire resistance, safe wiring, grounding, even long-term durability. They're there to protect you and your family. Ignoring CSA standards can have devastating consequences. I recall a real-life story where a family lost their home due to an electrical fire caused by a non-compliant lighting fixture. We lost everything in a fire. The fire chief said it started in the ceiling light. It looked legit. It looked like a great deal online. Modern, sleek, affordable. I had no idea it wasn't approved for Canada. The incident could have been prevented if they had chosen CSA-approved lighting. To summarize, using CSA-approved lighting is crucial for home safety. The risks associated with non-approved lighting far outweigh any potential savings. Make sure to look for CSA, UL, or ETL certifications on any lighting fixture you plan to install in your home. If it doesn't have CSA, UL, or ETL certification, don't install it, period, because the few dollars you save today could cost you your home or your loved ones. Choose safety. Choose certified. Because when it comes to electricity, it's not just a light, it's a lifeline. If you've had any experiences with electrical safety or home fires, I'd love to hear about them in the comments. Also, be sure to check out my other videos on home safety and electrical best practices for more tips and insights.